So here's a fascinating thought about self-driving cars as I sit here in this Waymo, sitting inside a Jaguar I-Pace suit that she's wearing today. It's sort of like Knight Rider, you know, like Kit was inside a Pontiac, but Waymo is inside a Jag. I think of the movie Clueless when Cher would come to a stop sign and she'd be like, I like totally paused. Well, self-driving Waymo here, she don't like totally pause. She full-on stops. So that's kind of interesting, right? Because that's the law. That's what you're supposed to do, and a computer's going to follow the law. But it is a little, as a human being who like totally pauses, it feels weird because you're like, go! But safety first. I just find it all delicious and fascinating. This is like the most delectable meal for me as a car designer who's been working on self-driving cars for the last decade.